Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. This is Anatoly. Here we're talking everything Agile, Agile tools. Today is an unusual day because we're going to review app for Jira data center and server. You might ask, Anatoly, usually you review cloud apps. Why data center and server app? First of all, I want to review more of the data center and server apps because you guys are asking for it and I think there's a lot of value there. Second of all, I think this app should have been in Jira in the first place. This is something that Jira is missing and almost every data center and server should have it. It's very simple. It does one thing that Jira is supposed to do, but it doesn't. That's why I think it's fair to review it. I want to thank today's sponsor, Natural Searchers for Jira, that provided us the app and sponsored the video so I can show it to you. Before we do a review, I want to show you the problem we're trying to solve. Here's two dashboards. One is, let's say, for building software, and one is an example. Let's say you're tracking a package delivery. So we have dashboard for the app that we're building, creating app for client, creating a login page, creating login screen, creating logout page, and then we have environments. Which environments this app is on? Let's say you're an administrator and you really want to see the environment in the order. So I click sort. What? 12, 12, 2, 2, 7, 7. Okay, let's try another way. 7, 7, 2, 2. Shouldn't 2 be before 7? Probably it should. But Jira sorting does not allow you to do that, which blows my mind. But it is what it is. Addresses, same thing. We have Times Square, house 11, house 4, house 33. What? 11, 4, 33? 11, 4, 33? What is happening? Why is 4 not first? Should be 4, 11, 33. But it is not. Well, Natural Searchers app solves exactly that problem. Let's go check it out. We are not in the Jira Cloud, so the UI is a little different. We click on the wheel. We click on Manage Apps. It asks for password, very secure. Let's do that. Confirm. And here we type natural, click enter. And it already found Natural Searchers for Jira. 601 installation. I know what you guys are curious about, the price. Let me show you the price. Here we go, Atlassian Marketplace. The price per server and data set are different. Up to 10 users, $10 per year. 25 users, $10 per year. 250 users, $30 per year. If we go to data center, $100 per year, $100 per year. If you have 750 users, $370 per year to solve this big problem. You can try it for free. You can click on it, try it for free. 601 installs. I know, talking to those guys, the big companies are used this app all the time, so it is widely used, very powerful, and also very simple. Let me show how to set it up. Here we are back to our dashboards. 7, 2, 12, incorrect. 1, 4, 33, completely incorrect. Let's fix it. So Natural Searchers already installed here. What we need to do is we need to click on a wheel. Then we need to go to issues. We go to custom fields. We have two our custom fields, address, environment name. We click on edit. And now we have search template. So by default, free text searcher. So we change that to exact text searcher. So it will do exact search. It will solve the problem. Click update. You also need to reindex because we are in data center using our own database. So click reindex. Let's do the same with the other one. Environment name, edit, exact text searcher, update. Need to reindex as well. Acknowledge. All right, let's go back to our dashboard. Back to our dashboard, as you can already see, now we can sort 4, 11, 33. 22771212 solves the real problem. People want to see and want to be able to sort things. Exactly. Which Jira by default does not allow you to do. So this small add-on solves the whole problem. Go check it out, sign up for free trial, test it for yourself. I'll leave the link at the top in the description. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, because we're doing those videos all the time for you to bring you value. Thank you. Talk to you next one. Bye bye.